Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we're going back to the basics. Like I mentioned in my last unboxing video that we're going to go back to looking at some Hot Wheels basics. I've got about 6 today on the table. I found the all-elusive Optimus Prime from the Transformers movies. I've got a Bumblebee Transformers. I've got a Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. That's the fourth color scheme they brought out. Black, I think silver or gray, red, and now this beautiful golden kind of color scheme. Then I've got a BMW 835 CSI, or 635 CSI, sorry. Then I've got a 2002 BMW. I've got a 67 Mustang. And the last one I've got is a Alfa Romeo Giulia T Super. So I'm gonna unbox them, take a closer look out of the blister packs, then I'll put them on the turntable as usual. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright guys, I'll start off with the 2002 BMW. Decent model, decent mold and die-cast model, but lacks detailing, none whatsoever. But it's okay because this is when I go in, use my coloring skills with my permanent markers and try and spruce it up a little bit. I might unbox it today, spruce it up, make it look good, and then put it on the turntable for a short video in the future. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. That's the car, guys. Pretty neat. I love the yellow color scheme. I love the livery. But I wish they did a little bit of detailing. At least because it's a BMW. Oh well. It gives me something to do, I guess. So I'm not going to complain too much. Alright, I'll put him on the turntable. All right, let's look at the 67 Mustang. Beautiful black color relays. I've got this one in white. I've done a decent upgrade paint job to it. Made it look like a custom model. And I was waiting for the black release because the chrome accents stand out better on a black color than a white. So for now, I'll just get him out of the pack, take a closer look, but eventually I'll get to detailing it a bit more, sprucing it up a little bit more, and then I'll do a short video. Alright, let's get him out of the blister pack. Alright guys, that's the car. I love Mustangs, so quite happy with it. Hot Wheels castings are getting better and better, guys. Look at the little engine dents or vents. It's quite nice. It looks more like a bullet Mustang, but obviously not, but still quite happy. So I'm going to put some chrome on the headlights, the license plate, and the logo as well. Make it look pretty similar to the artwork, but that's for another day. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, the next one we're looking at is a Alfa Romeo Giulia T Super. I quite like it. Love the casting, and the fact that it's never been made before or released before. It says 2025 new for this year. So, and it's got some detailing on the back, tail lights, blinkers or indicators, chrome exhaust, but nothing in the front. That's all right. All right, I'll get him out of the pack. Okay, got the car out, guys. It's got some pretty decent chrome interior. Red colors came, beautiful liveries on the side. They've got a license plate, just got TI Super. Reverse lights, tail lights, blinkers. Oh, they've given a chrome exhaust. I thought everything was, the whole thing was chrome, the chassis, but it's actually plastic and it's white, but they've given a chrome little bit. It really beats me as to how Hot Wheels decide like which car they're gonna put more effort into. Because you would think they would do it to the BMWs or the Mercedes-Benz, but they decided to do it to an Alfa Romeo. And this one's only got one side mirror. Okay. Chrome grille. Overall, pretty neat, guys. Okay, turntable time. All right, the next car we're looking at is a BMW 635 CSI. Gee, sounds like CSI Miami. All right, this one's got a beautiful black and gold livery. I love the wide body, and it is Hot Wheels wild wide body release. Beautiful gold accents on the rims as well, but no detailing at the back, no detailing at the front, but they've given a bit of chrome on the bumper, so plenty of work to do for me. Looking forward to getting it all spruced up. All right, let's take a close look. Okay, got the car out of the packaging, guys. Simply superb. Not just a wide body, but it's got some nice metallic look and feel to it. It's black with teeny tiny blue dots. Looks more like a recycled material, but it looks pretty good. I love the livery in gold. Simply superb, guys. I'm pretty sure if I know Hot Wheels smart marketing tactics, they're going to bring this out as a car culture or a boulevard as a premium with the metal base and obviously much more detailed. Somewhere down the track, probably months away or maybe even years away, but yeah, they will. There's so much more work to be done on this one to try and match it up with its artwork. All right, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay guys, the next car is one of my all-time favorites from Hot Wheels. They've put in a lot of effort and planning and design into this casting. So far they've done full colors like I mentioned earlier at the start of the video. They've done black, silver or gray, red, and now this beautiful gold colors came. The best thing about this car is they've got that sunroof popping out, beautiful interior, detailed taillights, logos, and blinkers and a license plate. Beautiful on the front, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint the grille black to match up with the artwork. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this one being released as a premium as well, somewhere down the track. It's gonna look spectacular as a premium. And this one's a 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. It's part of Hot Wheels Wild wide body series as well, like the previous BMW. So let's take a closer look, then I'll put him on the turntable. Got the car out, guys. That's just a beautiful color scheme, guys. It's got this nice goldish look to it with some gold dust on it. Side mirrors, beautiful rims and wheels. Pretty neat detailing on the back with the Mercedes-Benz logo. Looks awesome, guys. Looks beautiful. That's the sunroof, the little indentation, like it's opened up. Just fabulous. All right, I'll put him on the turntable for a 360 view. All right, guys, we're down to the last two. Next one we got is a Volkswagen Beetle, aka Bumblebee from the Transformers movies and series and cartoons. It's part of Hot Wheels Screen Time release or series. Taillights are painted red, and the front ones are just chrome to match the chassis. But overall, quite happy with it, guys. Not a lot of detailing we can do on this one except to put some more chrome accents on it. But all right, let's have a look at it first. Another beautiful release, guys. I love the gold color scheme. Looks really good. Initially they released this one in a yellow color scheme with the Transformers Autobots logo in red, but then they decided to release this in gold with the Autobots logo in black. Any which way, it looks pretty good. I love the Volkswagen Beetle, so good choice for Bumblebee. I like the new Camaro as well, guys, don't get me wrong, but this is probably the origins or the history in the cartoons. So nice chrome chassis that makes up the front and rear bumpers, but overall pretty good release, guys. All right, I'll put Bumblebee on the turntable now. All right, guys, I always save the best for last. And here it is, without any further ado, the Transformers More Than Meets the Eye Optimus Prime. It's probably a Kenworth flat nose cab. It's got a little bit of detailing. It's part of Hot Wheels Screen Time series release and Optimus Prime in all his glory. But they left the exhaust see-through plastic. They've got the Autobots logo on the side. They've got that silver color scheme all along. I've got a few of these because I just love Optimus Prime and Transformers. I bought another one for my boy a few weeks ago, but I've already opened that up and I've spruced it up, and I'll show you about what I mean when I try and spruce up my vehicles to make them look more like the artwork. So let's have a look at this one first, and I'll show you the spruced up version as well. All right, let's get Optimus Prime out of the blister packaging. I would love to do Peter Cullen's voice for this unboxing, but I don't want to get a sore throat just doing it. So, all right, let's take a closer look. All right, guys, give it up for Optimus Prime. Just absolutely fabulous, guys. I've got the other version as well with the trailer, but that one's a lot smaller than this one. So they're given a blue plastic one, guys. Just imagine this coming out as a Boulevard or a car culture, guys, eventually, or a pop culture with much more detailing on it. That'll look just amazing, guys. All right, are you guys ready? I've also got the spruced up version right next to it. Can you tell, guys? I put more chrome on the windscreens, wipers. I painted the headlights chrome as well. I've put a couple of orange lights in the front on the bumper. And I've also put a license plate, California Elvis 66. And then I've also put chrome on the side. And I've colored the exhaust chrome as well. The horn and a few other elements have colored chrome as well to match it up. I'll just put the art card next to it. So not full on, but I've tried to make it look as close as possible to the artwork. And I'm quite happy with the results, guys. And like Peter Cullen would say,
before time began, there was the cube.
All right, back to our basic one, or unspruced one. Okay, I'll put them on the turntable for a closer look. Okay, for all the Optimus Prime fans, guys, I'm gonna put the spruced up version as well, so you can see the difference. I absolutely love what I've done with it. Hope you guys like it as well. All right.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. That's all the cars we had to look at today in today's unboxing video. All Hot Wheels basics. We had the 2002 BMW. We had the 67 Ford Mustang. We had the Alfa Romeo. We had the BMW 635. The Mercedes-Benz SEC AMG 560. The beautiful gold Volkswagen Beetle, aka Bumblebee. And last but not least, we had a look at Optimus Prime, Kenworth flat-nose cab from the Transformers movies and series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.